Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord in Windows 7 at 10 or 11. So very easy guys, if you want to download and install Discord, so firstly open any Chrome browser and type here google.com. Click on Discord download, click on Dennis. Click on download for Windows. After open, starting. After enter your email and open this application. So guys, very easy and simple method if you want to download and install Discord in Windows 7 and 7 at 10. So very easy and good new method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest update.